Welcome to LibreOffice. In this video, I will explain you some most important properties and settings of pages in Adobe InDesign. So let's get started without wasting time. Here I am quickly creating a new document. If you don't know how to create new documents, what is margin, column or facing pages, so you can check out my previous video. I've taken 5 pages and click on create. So if you want to change any settings or properties of your pages once you have created your document, so there are many ways how you can update or change anything in your document, in your pages. So in toolbar, just you have to click on page tool, which shortcut key is shift key. Once you have clicked on it, so you can see above here our page properties has been displayed. Also you can see the properties of the pages on left side. So from here you can update your page settings and size, as well as also you can update your margins. So let's see how. Now you can see our document is A4 right now. If you want other standard or by default documents, so you can select from here A3, A5, whatever you need. Also you can update the value if you want any specific width or height of your pages, something like this. So it's up to you whatever you want to update. From here you can change out your page orientation, like landscape or portrait as you are looking your page. And there are some more options is available regarding your pages. If you want to increase margin area, so you can do from here. Now as you can see live here how it's getting changed. You have noticed here margins is getting increased over all the document, over all the pages. If you want to increase or decrease any specific side of margins, so you can uncheck here, and now if you will increase this size of your margin, so that particular side margin only will be increased or decreased. So it's up to you how you want to adjust your margin. Our next option is column. If you want to add column on your page, so you can add it from here. How many columns do you want to add? This space is called gutter area. So if you want to increase this space between columns, so you can increase or decrease spaces from here. Once you have done all the things, you have to click on OK. If you need more options regarding your page, you can go on File and Document Setup. Here are some additional options you can also find regarding your page. Currently it's print mode. If you want to create any design regarding web or mobile mode, so you can change from here. This is facing page options, as I have already explained about it. So if you do not want facing pages, you want single page like this, so you can uncheck here. It's up to you. Now this is same thing I have already explained here on page property. I am not explaining it again. We'll go ahead and see some additional options, like here is bleed area. Bleed area, if you want to add bleed area, so just you have to this is a standard value of bleed area 3 mm, so I have just keep 3 mm bleed area. This is the bleed area. Once you have done all the things, click OK. Now we'll see some more options. If you want to add new pages or remove any pages, so we can do from here. This is a page panel. If you don't find it, just you have to click on Windows and go on Pages. This shortcut key is F12. You can also use F12. So from here you can also add and remove pages. If you want more pages, just you have to click on Right and Insert Pages. Here are some options that is very useful. So let's see once. This is the number of pages, how many pages you want to insert, so you can write here. For instance, I need 3 pages. And this is the location we can define where we want to place these new pages. For instance, you want this page after the current pages which you have already selected, or before that pages. Also you can select if you want these pages at the end of document or start of document. You can also select here any specific page number after or before which you want your new pages. So currently I am just want to insert 3 pages at the end of document. So I have just selected and click on OK. Now you can see 3 pages has been added here. If you want to remove any pages, just you have to select that particular pages that you want to remove, and you can also remove by clicking right on the pages, something like this. And also you can add and remove pages from this bottom options, something like this. And if you want to add, you can click on Create New. And there are some more options. If you want any specific pages, duplicate same pages, so you can do from here. Now if you want to move any pages, click on Right and move the pages. And you have to give destination where you want to keep that pages. and from here you can select the destination where you want to put that pages. And once you have done as you required, click on OK. Now you can see the page number, selected page number has come on starting of the document. So these are something most important settings and properties of the pages, which is too much important for you if you are going to work on Adobe InDesign. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.